So you don't need to take any potassium, any crystal, potassium permanganate, okay? You don't need to experiment this into your home, okay? Because it's not safe for us, alright? And these all are chemicals, so you can't be able to get it easily, okay? Now, put one crystal of potassium permanganate in a glass of water. Just take a glass of water, okay? Put one crystal of potassium permanganate, okay? And it will spread colors in the whole entire water, okay? Let's take life-based example. Like, ये दिखाता है कि particles छोटे हैं, but they mix up very easily, okay? Like in our home, one drop of perfume can spread smell in the whole of the entire room, okay? This is like easily, and here is the best example for it. Have a look on this, guys. This is your activity. A single crystal of potassium permanganate change the entire color of this water, okay? I mean the whole color of the water, okay? Like somehow it is looking purple, right? So here is the experiment also given, and here it is perfume. Apply perfume and it will make spreading, like smelling in the entire body, in the entire room, okay? So that's how this is the example of potassium permanganate and perfume, okay? That's all, guys. In short, it proves that one single drop can also occupy the space, okay? What exactly space it is given, it can occupy, okay? But it is supposed to be not fixed, okay? This is like gas, moving, all right? No any fixed direction, no any fixed, we can say, occupying space, okay? Yeah, but it can be fixed, okay? If a water bottle, so it will take the shape of a water bottle, okay? In short, we will take one more example, okay? Like, let's take any batti, all right? In the prayer time, I guess you use any dhoop batti like this. So when you burn it, it occupies the whole of the space, okay? And the smell of this batti occupy the whole of the space. We can, if we are standing in any corner of the room, then we can feel it, okay? That's how this is the best example of occupying space. Now, the next is particles of matter have space between them. What do you mean by this? जितनी space होती है उतनी चीजें dissolve होती है. Dissolving, okay. So this is here we are discussing the method of dissolving. Activity: mix sugar in water, okay? Yeah, we can mix, of course, sugar in water. So let's take a glass of water, then mix sugar in it. Sugar particles fit in the space between water molecules. Okay, alright. Of course, it will fix. जब आप चाय में चीनी डालते हो, in short, when you apply sugar into the tea, then वो गायब हो जाते हैं. Supposed to be hidden. मतलब चीनी के पार्टिकल्स के बीच के गैप में छिप जाते हैं. Alright. In short, the gap between the particles of sugar, they hide directly, okay? And these are the best example of particles of matter have space between them, and this is called dissolving method, okay? Alright. Like sugar dissolve into water, sugar dissolve into tea. Next is particles of matter are constantly moving, okay? इनमें हमेशा मोशन होती है. Alright. Add a drop of ink in water. It moves slowly and spreads. Of course, you can do these activity in your home. That doesn't matter, okay? No any problem. You can do it. These all are no dangerous, okay? Not dangerous for us. In fact, it will make you fun very much. Like, as I have said that agarbatti, here it's example given, okay? Spread very fastly, alright? That's all. Next is particles of matter attract each other, okay? How? सारे particles एक दूसरे को खींचते हैं, okay? Means they are attracting, not repulsing. Solids में सबसे ज़्यादा, gases में सबसे कम. Okay. In short, they attract into each other, alright? So let's take one more example. First of all, have a look on this example, okay? So, when you make a ball of a soil, then why it break into when it fall down? Because they have not like the attraction of solid, okay? In short, if I am taking this box, okay? If I am taking this box and I want to break it, so why it's not breaking? Because this is solid, okay? Solid in short we can say all particles are attracting each other. That is why it's not easy to break it, okay? Let's take one more example.